for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake.
A warm welcome to all of you. It's John Champion and Jim Becklin on commentary duty today.
Hello John, hello everyone, it's a real pleasure to be here.
And we're off. And he shoots from there. Well struck, good save. The ball's over the line and it's a goal kick. Foul there, we can give him. A long shot. Oh, good defence there. Really solid defending. There is the end of the first period.
Oh, what a lovely half that was to watch. Really open, fast paced to the game. I can't imagine either manager changing tactics now or personnel.
There's kick-off. The second half underway now. It's a good hit! Oh, so close!
Oh, look, I just think he didn't get the connection he was hoping for. Nearly perfect technically, but not quite on the mark.
Long ball forward. Well struck, saved by the keeper, a corner. Oh, good defence there. It's a good hit, it's a good save. That is desperately close.
I just think he's on fire today. That was a great strike.
Dumps it forward. Really solid defending. The referee has ended the second half with the scores level. Nothing to separate the two sides after 90 minutes, so we go into extra time.
Well, I don't think either manager can have any complaints really, because nobody quite pushed for the winning goal, and it always lacked that spark.
Extra time kicks off. Managers on both sides urging their players on for the breakthrough. Can they provide it and then hang on for the win? Well struck, that's really close.
Oh look, I just think he didn't get the connection he was hoping for. Nearly perfect technically, but not quite on the mark.
Nothing could separate the two sides, even after the first half of extra time. I wonder, will we see a winner in the second half?
Well, there's plenty of potential for a final twist in this tale. I think there's bound to be some late drama in the final 15 minutes of this epic.
Into the second period. The tension pretty high, even down there on the bench. No room for complacency. Any mistake could prove fatal. It's a good hit! Saved by the keeper. Big opportunity this from the corner. Oh, so close!
Well, that was worth the effort, but it could have gone anywhere.
Well, no way of separating the sides, so it's down to the lottery. That is the penalty shootout.
Look, over the years we've seen many a goalkeeper make his name from a situation like this. Now it's all down to these two.
It's a good save. He's missed.
Dear oh dear, he's put it wide. Not a great penalty at all.
No pressure felt there. Yes, he made it. He's missed.
Dear oh dear, he's put it wide. Not a great penalty at all.
He's missed.
Dear oh dear, he's put it wide. Not a great penalty at all.
It's in. That was clinical. Saved by the crossbar.